Smart power strips are great because they save you energy by cutting off power to things you're not using. This entertainment center right now is using 52 watts. That's about $10 a month. But if I'm not using it and it's not turned on, how is it using power? Vampires. Vampire energy is the energy that your appliances are sucking from the wall, even when the power is turned off. It can be found in TVs, DVD players, microwaves, VCRs. Pretty much everything in the digital age is a vampire, quietly, secretly costing you money. The vampire power is used in these devices for things like clocks, sensing for remote controls, and digital circuitry that keeps on running even in sleep mode, basically just sitting in an infinite loop. Did they press a button? No. Did they press a button? No. Did they press a button? Why would you want to pay for something you're not using? Smart power strips automatically cut power to unused appliances. The Bits Smart Surge strip has a great way of killing vampires. The blue outlet, this control outlet, controls everything else. The smart strip detects when your control device is on or off. Plug all the vampires into these other outlets, and when your control device is off, vampires get disconnected. So for us, the TV is the control device. If the TV isn't turned on, I don't need power to the Apple TV, or the speakers, or the DVD player, or the Wii. So when the TV is off, these devices get virtually cut off and unplugged by the Smart Surge strip. Turn the TV back on, and they get repowered for use at your disposal. Now here's one vampire that gets away though, the DVR. If you have your DVR set up to record things during the day, it's going to need to have power all the time. Likewise, you might want to be using the speakers or your radio when the TV isn't on. Okay, fair enough. What's cool is that the people at Bits thought of this, and so they give you a couple of always-on outlets, the red ones here. Now these devices can't be controlled at all, kind of like vampire diplomatic immunity. Right now this entertainment center is using 24 watts. You just saved yourself about $5 a month. I also plugged a lamp into the strip, so now we have a lamp that's remote controlled by the TV. And they also say it's not good to watch TV in the dark. Problem solved. As far as we can come up with, they're good for killing vampires in entertainment centers, computer setups, stereos. Let us know if there's some use that we haven't thought of. Smart power strips make your home more efficient, saving you money and reducing consumption.